Hello guys, I noticed there wasn't any videos showing how to replace the Mylar on an Atari Mega ST. And it looks like it's pretty easy. I haven't done it, and I'll be doing this in quote real time as I show you. So first of all, let me show you what it is like when I power up my Mega STE. So this is an old TOS, and I didn't know that it was actually doing a memory test at this time. There's no visual indication, so you press enter and it finishes the memory test. Well, that's odd. How come it didn't show up all the hard drives? So let's restart this. Hopefully the hard drive hasn't died. There it is. Don't you love the sound of a aircraft carrier? That's basically what this thing sounds like as it's booting up. This has a really old TOS in it, so it doesn't show a progress bar while it's checking the memory. So originally I took the keyboard apart and I saw the trace that was broken and tried to fix it using conductive paint, and it didn't work. So I'll do Alt E for local echo, and well, this is interesting. The keyboard's actually working now, but I'm going to replace the Mylar anyway. Maybe I just didn't wait long enough for that paint to actually dry to become conductive. Oh, well, I spent the money on a new Mylar and I'm going to put her in. So let's move on to that section. Okay, so here's my keyboard. Let's move it in a little bit. And it's actually not that difficult to take apart the keyboard. Basically, you have these screws that need to come out. So let's start with that. Okay, let's have something to put the screws into. Make sure we don't lose them. And begin the process of taking the keyboard apart. Now, if I remember correctly, there's a bit of a trick to this. Maybe I need to flip it over. Flip this over, and voila. And the next step is to remove this screw. Remove this screw, this grounding screw. Okay, so now we lift these up. Let's confirm you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, and you'll lift this up, and now you can just pull these out. And we'll put this aside for now. Now we have to carefully, if you look at these, there are all these little clips. So you have to gently move them to the center so we can remove this metal backing. Okay, so here is the old membrane, and if I can find it, I'll show you where the problem was. I think I have it the wrong way around. Ah, yes, right here, where for some reason the trace went and broke. So I put some metallic paint in there, and I thought it didn't work, but I went away on vacation for a month. Come back and it's actually working. So let's just get rid of this old guy, and we'll keep it over here so we can see the orientation. We'll take this guy out of his prison carefully. We line up everything. That looks good. Put this back on. Now to put the keyboard on. Time to put our grounding strap on. Okay, now to test it before we put everything else together. Oh, right. I need to plug the mouse in. Alt-E, oh, that's a good sign. Looks like it's all working. Excellent. Now put the rest together. Okay, we're back here again. We need the top. And we need to put in some screws. Okay, we're done. We have a fully functional Atari ST keyboard again.